Hi, my name is Maureen Maguire. I'm 62 years old. I have 4 wonderful children, and I just had a heart transplant. In my life, I've never been one to settle. I married a wonderful man. I've had great expectations for my children. And with my disease, although it's chronic and has been there, I never sat down. I never gave up. 30 years ago, I developed ventricular tachycardia and was rushed down to Penn. My primary doctor was Dr. Harvey Waxman. I've gotten to know Dr. Waxman over the course of 30 years. The man is brilliant, extremely humble, and I trust him in all things medicine. In addition to having ventricular tachycardia for 30 years, I had heart failure for 10. This last year was the worst. The things I could do 2-3 years ago, couldn't walk around the block, couldn't play with the dogs. By February of this year, February 9th, I arrived at Penn, and they took me down to the emergency room and said that they have a heart that would fit me, and I was going to be transplanted that day. They said to me, okay, when this happens, you'll be normal again. Everything you did before, you'll be able to do. And I think the surgery was 8 hours long. Came out, and I was never so grateful in my whole life. My life has completely changed in the last couple of months. I'm in rehab. Took a while to learn how to get into the swing of things, but yesterday, well, actually 2 days ago, I walked a mile with our dog, which is monumental, and I'm just looking forward to getting better and better. All the doctors, all the nurses were my primary caretakers while I was recuperating in the ward. I was there for over 3 weeks, and these nurses were so devoted and charismatic and caring. I was really fortunate to go to Penn. Everybody who now knows I've had a transplant, all I have to mention is it was at Penn, and they know that that is the premier location for any major surgery. Penn is the only place I would consider getting something this dramatic, this major done. My life is worth Penn medicine. Isn't yours? I knew I had to go to Penn. They are committed to knowing as much and doing as much as they can.